Today we are going to build a speaker using this plastic box. I will walk you through the entire process, step by step. If you are interested in building your own speaker, this video might be for you. Here are the components I will be using. By the way, before you start, make sure your box is big enough to fit all these components. So before cutting any holes, I need to mark the spots. Let's start with the amplifier, or the main board for this speaker. Use H as a ruler to draw lines. Okay, now we have done the drawings of the outer edge. But what we truly need is the part that will sink into the box. So we still need to draw the lines of the inner part. Now we can see that there are some dots on it, and let's connect those dots, and then we can get what we want. Let's turn to the other side. Here is the space for the LCD screen. It's hard to draw the lines directly because it's not even, so I will just use the ruler to finish the drawing. Check if the lines is matched to the hole we want. Now is the space for the drivers. Here are two full-range drivers. Adjust positions. I want them to be right at the center. First, draw a cross. Use it as the base for drawing a circle. The circle I'm drawing here is also the part that will sink into the box, not the diameter of the drivers. The circle I drew here isn't perfect, but that's okay. It will fit later when we cut it out. I'm also leaving space for a vent. Okay, we have done all the drawings. Now the next step is to use a soldering iron to cut out the holes. Wait for it to heat up. Let's start with the easiest one. Be careful when using the soldering iron. It gets very hot. If you are trying to do this part by yourself, you also need to be patient. It is the part that will cost you most of the time when you are using a plastic box to build your custom speaker. Let's check if the screen fit into the hole. The hole is too small, so I will make it larger. Perfect. Now mark the spots for the screws. Okay, finished digging the first hole. Now let's turn to the side for the vent. Trim the edge. The hole for the amplifier is also done. Looks good. Same as the LCD screen. Draw some spot for the screws. What's left are the holes for the drivers. Okay, we are all set. Next, what we're gonna do is to wire all the components. Wiring is done. Before installing everything into the box, I want to attach some sponge strips to minimize collisions. Cut them into the right length. Attach those sponge strips to the drivers as well. Now let's start assembling the speaker. First, place the LED line bar at the bottom. Now screw in the mainboard. Find the position that fit into all the holes we made. I didn't secure it here, but it's better to use tape to fix the line bar in place. Now let's install the screen. This is the light board connected to the LED light board and the screen. Now install the drivers and wire them up. Add the battery. All done. Now let's close the box and see what it looks like. It's time to turn it on. Press the button on the mainboard. Bluetooth connection. Now let's play some music. Volume up and down. This system has 3 equalizer mode: hi-fi, cinematic, and bass. Start and pause. What do you think of this speaker? Like it or not? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you next time.